Alright, so look, yo, before the fucking video start, I wanna come in, bro, I come to Twitter, bro, let y'all know, bro, I'm giving y'all this file, bro. And I told y'all, bro, I just made this channel, by the way, from scratch, so welcome me, bro. And y'all gonna be getting this file, y'all gonna be getting this full, I just made this channel, by the way, and if y'all don't know who I am, I'm Tayreese. I run multiple YouTube channels right and to show my face on them, and I'm bringing it to this channel today to tell y'all, bro, the full rundown, bro. Y'all gonna know everything, bro, A to Z, bro, on all my videos, bro. So this is gonna be a full unedited channel where I don't edit none of my videos. I'll probably have another YouTube automation channel where I edit some of my videos out, but you see I got 18 million views right on my main channel. So yeah, like I said, this will probably be my my main one right here where I edit all my YouTube automation videos and post them. But right now, I ain't editing none, and this is my design channel, by the way, bro. And yeah, but yeah, if y'all ain't know, bro, I got multiple channels, bro. I lost my first one in January, but I had to come back again. And yeah, but I just want to come back with another banger. Like I lost my first one in January right here. I lost my first one in January. I don't know why YouTube banned it for no reason. But I just went on. I just went on one of my backups, bro. But hey, y'all know the grind never stopped, bro. I respect YouTube's law, everything YouTube got going on. But look, y'all see, bro, I lost my main back in January, and then yeah. But if we come over to Twitter right here, I got over 6,000 posts, photos out on Twitter, a lot of saws. I leak a lot of methods, a lot of growth tactics, like stuff y'all not gonna learn nowhere else, bro. I don't think I'm gonna be honest, chat. I don't think a guru is putting in like the most work I'm putting in, bro. Like I got over 6,000 photos on Twitter. I leak niches, how to get started in niches, bro. Everything you need to know about YouTube automation, bro. So in this tutorial, bro, in this video, bro, I'm gonna be putting this file in the description. I just wanna say,
everyone thought this guy was cheating.
This is a welcome
every
video to
time
my
you hit a
channel.
golf ball, bang! It sounded like a
And I'm going to be teaching you how to do the style, but I just want to say this is a welcome video to my channel, and I'm gonna put this link to this file in the description of the video, and I'm gonna also include my presets right here. So all these gurus don't really want y'all to know they saws, but hey, I don't care if y'all know the saws, and I'm also gonna give y'all the video that this video that I edited, that was in the video, so you can open up the file. But all you do is come here, you open up the file right here, and then you come to the file I gave you and you open it. And in the presets, you gotta look up a video on YouTube how to download presets. But I'm gonna be giving y'all everything y'all need to know, bro. So fuck all the gurus out there that be wanting to tell y'all, bro, shit. I'm about to give y'all everything right here, including this file, will be in the file in the description. I'm gonna give y'all all these PopTexT right here, how to do the PopTexT right here. You see this?
everyone
I'm gonna give y'all how
thought
to do
this
the
guy was
PopTexT.
cheating.
I'm gonna show you, bro. And I also, by the way, bro, if y'all wanna know how I learned that style, I was watching a PopTexT tutorial on my main channel yesterday, and I learned the PopTexT video from here. And I streamed it, by the way, on the stream right here. But some of it didn't save. That's why I'm giving y'all this file, bro. And then yeah, I streamed it on my channel. If y'all go to my channel, y'all look at my latest stream right here. You can see that I got 8-hour streams up, and you go to my latest stream right here. I streamed it right here. All right, so I was watching this SmoothTex video right here. Do the SmoothTex. So the best thing I'm gonna give y'all the best tips y'all can learn everything from, bro, is I advise y'all watching YouTube editing tutorials, and I advise y'all using the file that I'm gonna give y'all in the link description, bro. You can watch this video. I was watching it yesterday on stream, and you can also watch this one. But I want y'all to take the link in the description below. So if y'all need any other help, y'all could just hit me up on Discord at Tayreese. By the way, and yeah, I learned everything from YouTube editing tutorials. I'm gonna give y'all all the sauce, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a full rundown. All these fucking gurus, man, these gurus is done, bro. Tayreese is back, bro. Hey, when Tayreese come through, bro, it's all lit moments. But yeah, y'all can see I learned it. I got editing playlists on my main channel. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all this full file of y'all's, bro. After the day, bro, I decided that I'm gonna give y'all this file, bro. But yeah, and also if we come to CapCut, I can show you guys how I did the glow in CapCut. I just added the glow to it. It was nothing simple, like, yeah, so, yeah. But I know y'all be wondering, like, oh, how do FitFlix and them big-ass channels be doing this editing style, bro? Well, I'm about to give you the file. After the file, bro, and I'm going to do a full tutorial. I don't care if I got to do a 1-hour tutorial It's me showing you how to do it, bro. I'm giving y'all the sauce, bro. So, yeah, this is the channel I want to be at, bro. All them fucking gurus out there, bro. Hey, if you want to keep listening to them and they don't get a sauce I really want for real, like me, I'm gonna tell y'all, bro, how I do the ghost shit. So I come in CapCut, and after I'm done editing my file, I export it. I come here, I export it right here. I export it, and make sure your video files like this. If you got, I'm gonna put the link to download Premiere Pro in the description too. All right, so you come in here. I ain't no fucking guru. Don't play with me like that. I'm not no fucking guru at all. All right, so you come here, and you can save it in your music folder, and you come here, and you want to make sure that the settings is matching mine. Everything is matching mine, bro. And you want to make sure you put this. If it's software, if hardware don't work, try software. If software don't work, try hardware. All right, and yeah, that's how you really do it. And then you come over to here after that, and you add the go to it, and then you add to go.
Bang.
Go. You had to go with your style, so the go will be on the editing stuff right here. So if we come to here, effects, we add another effects go. You see we got a low. You can see we got glow right here. So that's really how y'all at the go right there. And like I said, I don't like to go up too far with the go. I like to turn it go down a bit. But look,
This guy was cheating because every time he hit a golf ball, bang, it sounded like...
And by the way, chat, what I use for the voiceover, I use the Google AI. If y'all didn't know, bro, what I use for the voiceover, I use Google AI, bro. I came over to here last night. I used Google AI for the voice. The speaker I used was him. I remember, I used him, I think. Yeah, I used him, and then I generated it, ran a prompt. And Google AI is free, unlimited, so I feel like Google AI is a way to write your scripts, do the voiceover, whatever, etc. But welcome to this channel, though.